In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Apple AirPods to iPhone after forgetting the device. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your AirPods regardless of the model and how to use it on any iPhone that you have. So to start, make sure that you reset your AirPods. Place your AirPods in the charging case, close the lid down fully, and then press and hold the setup button on the back of the case. Continue holding until the status light flashes amber and then white. Once this is done, you will be able to move on to the next step to pair your AirPods. So open the lid of your AirPods case, hold the case near your iPhone, and automatically there's going to be a pop-up telling you to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. So all that you have to do is follow along and you will be able to get them connected once they are put in close proximity of any iPhone model that you have. Alternatively, if you are having trouble doing this, you can try forgetting them from your Bluetooth settings. So go over to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the Information button near your AirPods, and then choose the option to forget this device. By doing this, they will be successfully forgotten, and now you will be able to repeat the same steps that I mentioned. So reset your AirPods by pressing and holding the setup button on the back of the case until you see the lights flash amber then white. Once this is done, open the lid, take them out of the case, and they should be picked up by your iPhone, regardless of the model. If it is still giving you trouble, you can try restarting your iPhone and doing the same thing again with your AirPods. They should be picked up automatically, as long as they are genuine AirPods, regardless of the model. So, regardless of the generation of AirPods that you have, you should be able to get them connected together. Put them in close proximity, and as soon as you take them out of the case by opening the lid, they should work. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Apple AirPods to iPhone after forgetting the device. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.